Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Magicplan app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click here on profile and account down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on app preferences, you just click on it here, then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you come here to make local copies, clicking this sign. So then you click here on with using the app here. So then here, like you see, this color show for us, that's mean make local copies enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.